Alright, we're taking a look through the infrared Rico MK2. The specific model is the RL42R 384 scope. This one came from Santa Claus Optics and Travis Shelton. I've had a lot of feedback on my latest Facebook Reels and YouTube videos about the ballistic calculation feature, and so I just wanted to go ahead and do a brief overview with that and how to just go through it generally and set it up. You'll do a long press with your menu button. You'll scroll down through the first page. We'll go to the second page. You'll see this symbol here with the projectile with some radians or graduations. It says ballistic calculation. We'll select that with a long press. The ballistic calculation comes up. You've got your ability to select profiles. You can go into profile, select 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. We'll select 1. We'll back out with a long press. We'll go down to our suggested point of aim, or SPOA. You can select whichever one you'd like. I like this X. It seems to show up the best for my eye. So we'll select it and then back out of it with a long press. Then you can choose if you would like MOA or mil. I'm running MOA for this. We'll back out of here. We'll select it and then back out. Then you can go to the parameter settings. We'll just kind of take a quick glance at mine. I've got my ballistic coefficient set in. The profile for G1, the bullet weight for the 55 grain soft point I'm running, my rough muzzle velocity average. You can do this with a chronograph. And we've got our rifle scope height, and just basically measure that from the center line of the scope to the center line of the bore of the rifle. Back out of there, kind of scroll down through the settings. Just let you see everything that's available. We'll do a quick press on this gray power button. It comes up and it asks if we want to keep the settings. We'll do a menu button press to say yes to keep the settings. We back out. Now we'll do a long menu press. We'll come back into ballistic calculation. We'll go up to ballistic calculation, actually turn the feature on. Alright, once it's enabled, we'll do a long press, hold on the menu button, we'll back out. We'll go to our up arrow, which happens to also be the rangefinder selection for this particular model. We'll do a long press on it. It's going to come up. The blue circle is indicating where the continuous range finding is occurring, so I'm going to kind of point it at the roof of this barn. You do a long press on it, it turns it back off. We can do a long press and turn it back on. Do a quick single press. That's going to give us a single range with the blue circle. Depress it again, and it's going to tell us we're at 469.8 yards. So in order to hit that area that we're at with the ballistic information that I've input, our hold is going to be that little X that you see on the reticle. It shows up in picture-in-picture. If you zoom in, it's going to slowly move that secondary reticle for your hold out of the way on picture-in-picture, so you won't be able to see it at some point. So we'll just back it back out gradually, and you'll be able to see it in picture-in-picture if you don't zoom in too much.